Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day. So today I will be sharing our innovation in teaching and learning for statistics subjects entitled Beyond Traditional Methods Embracing STA-MAP for Statistical Learning Approach. So I am Dr. Nur Idayu Alimon, the group leader, and then we have Intan Syafinaz Ahmad, Dr. Norbaiti Tukiman, and also Norzarina Johari. So these are my group members. So we are from College of Computing, Informatics and Mathematics, University Technology Mara, Cawangan Johor, Pasir Gudang campus. So this is the presentation outline. So I will start with some introduction about the STA-MAP, what is mind map, and then why we want to introduce the STA-MAPs. So we'll go to some literature reviews and also theory in education, and then STA-MAP process. And then we have did some survey to the students, and we did some analysis based on the data, and then we will conclude the presentation and list of references. In the realm of education, the acquisition of statistical knowledge often poses challenges, especially for students with limited mathematical backgrounds or those harboring minimal interest in mathematics. So after we recognized these problems, so we decided to come out with an innovative teaching techniques that we call as STA-MAP. So what is actually STA-MAP? So STA-MAP is actually a mind map techniques, which is a revolutionary approach that summarizes the statistics syllabus and topics for students. The innovation is designed in order to use creative technique strategies to increase student knowledge and understanding about statistics. Other than that, we actually want the students to do some revisions after the class and then get some interest to study statistics. So why is actually STA-MAP is introduced? So STA-MAPs, this method or innovations is actually for the students who took the STA-104 subject, which is the introduction to statistics. So we face a lot of difficulties in teaching statistics using traditional way due to the diverse backgrounds and also various mathematical skills. So additionally, so we need to find an alternative way to make this sure the students will do the revisions and of course in interactive way. Hence, we introduced the STA-MAPs as a new approach that requires students to create visual representations of statistical concepts. So these are some literature reviews about the mind maps from 2013 until 2022. And based on the literature review, so most of the researchers is actually shows and states that the concept of a mind map is actually more effective teaching learning strategy than the traditional method. And then this strategy train the mathematical skills through teaching and learning. And then there are some advantages such as helps in finding better solutions, helps in written information, and also increase productivity. So the cognitive load theory supports the concept of mind maps. So the Sweller cognitive load theory CLT is introduced by Sweller in 1988, and they are divided into three. We have intrinsic, germane, also extraneous. So STA-MAP of mind map is actually comes under the extraneous. So reduce the unnecessary information and use diagrams. So the STA-MAP is actually uh, based on the syllabus. So from the lesson that they have learned in class, so they will convert the information to the diagram, which is the mind map that we call as STA-MAP. So this is the STA-MAP process. There are 4 steps learning based on object syllabus. So the students need to come to class and learn the syllabus until the end of the chapter. So at the end of each chapter, they will brainstorm, recap or revise based on the chapter and then come out with STA-MAP. They can design the STA-MAP based on their creativity, use the applications that they want, such as Canva, we have PowerPoint, and many more. They can actually use the iPad tool to draw the mind map and then upload the STA-MAP in PDF or PNG to the Google Drive, OneDrive, or Padlet. So these are the submission via Padlet, we have via Google Drive, and also via OneDrive. So we receive a lot of submissions. So these two are only the samples. So for chapter 1 and also chapter 3. So we have also compiled in ebook. So we chose only one best STA-MAP and compiled in the ebook. So this ebook is only a draft that in future we can sell and commercialize it. And so we did some survey to the students, and the data that we got, we did some analysis by using SPSS. So based on the survey, most of the students is actually loves to do the submissions via Padlet and also Google Drive for OneDrive, and most of them agreed that this submission medium is actually user-friendly. And based on the descriptive statistics, you can see this mean. So we have 4.21, 4.24, 4.29. From the scale 1 until 5, 4 is actually agreed. So most of them is actually agreed that this step maps is very helpful for them to understand better and push them to do the revision, and they can actually identify the hard topic. So in the process of doing the step map, they actually can identify which topic, which syllabus, which part of the syllabus that they want to focus more. And then the step map is also helpful for test and also final exam. So these are the analysis or the comparisons from this semester that the students did the step map with the previous semester. So the percentage of the past students for STA-104 subject is actually increased, and then the number of students who got A minus, A, and also A plus for the semester is also increased compared to the previous semester. So the green one is the semesters that the students did the step map. So in conclusion, step map is introduced as a new learning approach for STA-104 students, and it is actually the method that that support for Sweller cognitive load theory, and it's one of the way that actually we want the students to do some revisions after the class. And based on the analysis, the students agreed that the step map is helpful to understand the syllabus better and help them to identify the hard topics, and the examination results is also improved. So this is the list of references that we use in the presentation. So I think that's all from us. Thank you.